After 34 years in the same house,
There's a lot of memories. Lot of memories.
Bill Jones is getting ready to move. Against his will.
Exactly when we got to go, I don't know.
After a 2-year legal battle, Jones is about to go into foreclosure.
What should have just been everyday business transaction turned out to be a nightmare.
He says it all started when he tried to refinance his mortgage 2 years ago.
Yeah, they promised me a 30-year conventional loan at a fixed rate. I've discovered that after this first 2 years is up, I'll probably be paying twice what I was promised I would pay.
Jones says he figured it out when he deciphered all the words in his loan agreement after he signed the documents.
We got a copy of a typical mortgage agreement. It's for a 30-year fixed loan, and it's pretty basic. But there are lines in here we just don't understand, like from time to time, lender may, at lender's option, without giving notice to or obtaining the consent of borrower, borrower's successors, or assigns, or of any junior lien holder or guarantors. You basically get the picture. Since we still didn't understand what it meant after reading it 3 or 4 times, we took it to the experts.
From time to time,
the lender,
Secretary Thomas Perez, the man in charge of Maryland's mortgage laws,
at lender's option,
and Baltimore Congressman Elijah Cummings.
I call this lawyer talk.
Both are powerful lawyers, and both men had to stew over the words before they could explain it to us.
Basically, what this is saying is that the lender can extend the time that you will have to make your payments. And I would know that only because I'm a lawyer. I mean, the average person wouldn't have a clue.
Both agreed we become easy targets because most of us don't know what the words in our loan agreements mean.
that is not fair and that is not legal.
Perez says the complicated language is the main reason why our ABC2 news investigation found Maryland Latinos were 3 times more likely to end up with a high-risk loan than their white neighbors.
I don't think I have limited English proficiency, but I have a heck of a lot of trouble interpreting this. I met way too many people who, in fact, did have limited English proficiency, and it was precisely that language barrier that resulted in their being taken advantage of.
Both Perez and Cummings are encouraging lenders to use simple English in their contracts.
We need to, first of all, simplify these documents as best we can.
Hey, fellas, on my block and the next block up, people had to move after 30, 40, 50 years because of these type of loans that they took out and didn't understand.
Jones says it's already too late for his Pimlico neighbors.
I think it should be made simple where people can understand it, because we are not trained mortgage brokers, finance agents, or what have you. We're just everyday people.